Buongiorno, we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this opera by Italian composer Puccini, Giacomo Puccini. So how do you pronounce this? Well, there is an infinite debate on whether it should be said as Turandot, Turandot, or Turandot. Now, many Italians argue that because it is an Italian opera, it should be said as Turandot, 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 and that's how the Italians often say it. But the character wasn't Italian, so many argue that for this reason it should be said Turandot, Turandot. At the end of the day, there is a fantastic video that I'm going to link to in just a second that goes through the whole story about why it could be either Turandot or Turandot. He explains everything. It takes about 10 minutes, but the conclusion is that it can be really either. No one really knows. Both pronunciations are used and correct, Turandot or Turandot. And that's it. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting and often mispronounced names, and this video explaining which is correct or not, Turandot. I'll see you there to learn more.